Hey guys, today let's learn how to make money with Dall-E 3. So if you guys are wondering how to make money using Dall-E 3, in order for it to create images and for you to sell those images online, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So what we can actually do on here is to go on over first on the Bing application, tap on Copilot, and make sure that you are also logged into your preferred accounts and make sure that GPT-4 is enabled. Now from here, you could go ahead now and ask Dall-E 3 to create anything for you. So let's say create an image of a dog drinking tea. So we can actually enter that prompt and wait for Dall-E 3 to create that image for us, but the possibilities here are basically endless. So if you want to go ahead and earn money, let's say you want to go ahead and create a design for a t-shirt that you could print out and sell online or in stores. So you can actually ask Dall-E 3 to create that t-shirt design for you with no initial cost, and you can now go ahead and use that t-shirt design to be printed and be sold elsewhere. I could also go ahead and create some online art. So let's say that you are on a specific multimedia, Photoshop, video editing, or basically a creative group on Facebook, which brings together other creators. So let's say basically a specific person on there would like you to go ahead and create an image of their favorite animal doing something. You could actually go ahead and use that or offer that specific service to other people in exchange for money. So those are just some ideas of how you guys could use Dall-E 3 to earn money. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.